Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Never Give Up. It always seems impossible until it's done. We have the power to make our dreams come true, so we must keep moving forward. Remember, if we fail, we'll learn. If we succeed, we will achieve our goal. But if we give up, we will return empty handed. And with these motivational lines, hearty morning to one and all present here. I'm Meenakshi from class 8, standing here in front of you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Never Give Up. My dear friends, success requires lots of sleepless days and nights, lots of sweat, and a great amount of hard work. And it can only be achieved if we never give up on the small failures that we face in the process. Dear God, have mercy on us and guide us all through our times of trials so we are able to find rest for our minds and souls. Dear God, help us to keep on and to never give up. And with this, let us start our morning assembly with God's prayer first. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer, dear friends, sad truth is that life is a struggle. It humbles us and it attempts to break us down over and over again. To help us stay strong and persevere through life's adversity, it becomes important to get inspiration. Let's get inspiration through today's thought, and for thought of the day, I invite on stage Shivai from class 8. Good morning everyone. My name is Shivai. Thought of the day is: many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Shivai. Dear friends, everyone must remain well informed about anything. News enhances our confidence and it makes lives easier as we are updated with the current issues, facts, events, politics, historical facts. And now let's get today's news update with Sahista from class 8. And after news, thank you very much, Sahista. Knowledge is a very wide concept and has no end. If we have good knowledge, we become more confident and self-assured to take on challenges. Let's get enhanced and check our knowledge. For today's GK quiz, I would like to invite Shivam from class 8. Thank you very much, Shivam, for enhancing and testing our knowledge. Anything worthwhile takes time and requires some serious energy, dedication, and sacrifice. And life rewards those who are willing to keep pushing themselves, regardless of what limits are presented to them. We have to stay strong and never give up. Dear friends, we are the best. We have to believe that we can do everything we want. We should never give up. I would like to invite on stage Nitya from class 8 to deliver a speech. And thank you very much, Nitya. Dear friends, the more English words we learn, the better we can communicate our needs, ideas, thoughts, and feelings to other people in English. Why not we add a new word in our vocabulary? And I would like to invite Tanvi from class 8 for word of the day. Good morning to all. My name is Tanvi. Word of the day is strenuous, which means vigorously active and energetic. And synonyms of strenuous are laborious, demanding. Antonyms are effortless and easy. And I'm using this word in a sentence. He rarely does anything more strenuous than the channels on the television. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Tanvi. My dear friends, India is a diverse nation and there are differences in culture, traditions, religions, and languages. Our national anthem reminds us that despite these differences, India is united under one flag. And it's time to sing national anthem. And everybody get ready for it. And after national anthem, my dear friends, when the world says give up, when the world says give up, hope whispers. Try it one more time. Here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.